to follow your mother every day. Her humility so pure, her love so bright. Help me walk in her footsteps, in your light. Oh, Father in heaven, hear my plea. Grant me the grace to be like Mary. In humility, love and compassion true. Help me grow closer, Lord, in service to you. In her gentle ways I see your grace. Through her life's compassion, your love I embrace. Teach me her patience, her tender care, to love my neighbors and always be there. Oh, Father in heaven, hear my plea. Grant me the grace to be like Mary. In humility, love and compassion true. Help me grow closer, Lord, in service to you. Not in worship, but in emulation. Mary's life a holy inspiration. In her joy, her sorrow, she follow your way. Help me remember this each and every day. Oh, Father in heaven, hear my plea. Grant me the grace to be like Mary. In humility, love and compassion true. Help me grow closer, Lord, in service to you. So in Mary's example, let my spirit grow. In faith and love, let your mercy flow.
Resurrexit